These policies, they're not just destroying lives, they're rooted in lies, all of them. Our next guest was once a climate alarmist, but now says the entire movement is, quote, a scam. Tom Harris is the executive director of the International Climate Science Coalition. He joins me now. Tom, good to see you tonight. Now, you actually say the only way to get rid of this is to go after the science of climate change. Explain.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of people say, well, China, for example, so we shouldn't actually and they found no consistent correlation between carbon dioxide and Earth's temperature. At times, CO2 was 1,300% of today, and we were stuck in very cold conditions.
I remember how I got here now. I was looking at this website, Fact Checker's website, and they claim that climate change does not exist, and more specifically, that there is no consistent correlation between carbon dioxide and global temperature was reproduced on this. So basically saying that there's a very linear link between carbon dioxide emissions and temperature. That's what, and that scientist was saying the opposite. So he's been fact checked as false. He says one part where he says we need to challenge the science because so much of the science is corrupt. If you were asked to do a job at work, make me a chart of like the property market in the past 10 years. You just do a chart of it. Don't like, oh yeah, I was using the 1988 model as a baseline, so I brought everything down to zero. You just wouldn't do it. Like this graph, the most famous graph in the world, I think I read somewhere, is drawn by putting in the climate anomalies. So you take these values here. This is the NASA website. So you take all these values. We're looking at the middle column. That's the one of the anomalies. So you take all these, copy them, paste them into Excel or whatever you use, and then plot the graph, and you get this graph, which is pretty much the same as their one here. I mean, there's issues of scaling, I suppose, but they're using the same values that I used. But if you make a chart of the actual temperature, you get this chart. So it has gone up a bit, about whatever, like they say, a degree, 1.25 degrees. And even this has been generous here because they've gone up way over 16 and they've gone way below zero. So, I mean, taking in the range of values, the lowest it's ever been to the highest it's ever been. I mean, if you are doing a proper graph, that's the way you should do it, I suppose, have it within the potential values. Like the temperatures have gone way down here before and they have gone way up there, hopping all over the place. So, and the result of it is this line.